Hello everyone, I am going to talk about the service and cost of spares at 40,000 kilometers for an R15 V3. So, this service includes chain sprocket change, coolant top up, fork seal repair, and brake pad changes. Cost of spares and labor was 2000 for sprocket set and 500 rupees for labor charges, 100 rupees for coolant top up, 400 rupees for fork seal and 150 for fork oil, and the labor charge was 100 rupees. For brake pads I went OEM as Yamaha brake pads were too much expensive and they costed me around 400 rupees for rear and 350 for front, which I did by myself. And I hope this experience of mine will help all the fellow riders. If you want more such videos, subscribe, and thank you for